Hello, welcome to BENPHYSIO channel. Why ladies have high prevalence to get low back pain? One of the answer is because ladies often go through the process of pregnancy, delivered, and then get the second pregnancy again. During the whole pregnancy, your baby growing inside your tummy, growing bigger and bigger. Now, what happened to your core muscles, which are your muscles in front of the tummy? The core muscle will become overstretched and become weakened. After the delivery, if you never go back to Pilates or any physio to retrain, to pick up or to wake up your core muscles, they will continue to sleep. But vice versa, if you go to all these Pilates or physio to pick up and retrain your core muscles, that's where you will regain your core muscles again. Now, number two, when you regain your core muscle, relatively what happened? You were able to reshape your body again. So that's also explain why some of the ladies, right, after the delivery, they do not get back their body. Alright, because you have to wake up the muscles that have been sleeping. Now, unfortunately, or maybe fortunately, you get a second pregnancy. What happened now? Your weakened muscles will get even weakened. So that's where your second pregnancy, you find that you start to have more low back pain, especially when it comes to your second trimester, because your core muscles are unable to hold for you. Therefore, for a lady, especially after pregnancy, neither first one or second one or third one, it is very important for you to consult a physio or your Pilates trainer or any trainers who can help you to wake up your core muscles. Alright, so stay tuned.